Hi guys, welcome to INSECTECHS. I'm Kiran Tirukovela, your teacher for ethical hacking course, and in this class we are going to learn about Zenmap. Zenmap is GUI, graphical user interface version of Nmap. That is a graphical version of Nmap, and it is a tool, a graphical tool for lazy people or people who are intimidated for using command line commands on CLI for using Nmap commands. So for such a people or people who are actually doing a daily work like network administrator who are using the same commands to scan the same targets daily. So for such professionals who are doing the same job daily, this graphical user interface, this tool is highly helpful. So before discussing about Nmap, let us install Zenmap on Windows and even Kali Linux. So open your favorite browser and type download Zenmap for Windows, and this is the first link, nmap.org/zenmap, and under download section you can actually download for Windows, macOS, Linux, and so on. In downloads, and just navigate or move your cursor to Zenmap GUI and click over here. And as you can see, Zenmap is official Nmap security scanner, and it is multi-platform, cross-platform. You can see Linux, Windows, and Macintosh, BSD, and so on. It is open source and free tool application which aims to make Nmap easy for beginners, not beginners but professionals also. And you can download the Zenmap from Nmap itself. So let us navigate to Nmap download page and scroll down under Windows binaries. Click on Nmap 7.94 setup exe file. So as you can see, and this is the application that you want to install. Double click to start installing Nmap. Fairly simple. Click on yes button. Read the license agreement, and if you are okay with that, click on I agree. Next, and here you have to enable this option, Zenmap GUI frontend. Okay, click next, and now click on install. So installation of Nmap along with Zenmap is going on. Meanwhile, let me navigate to Kali Linux. Now this window shows a license agreement for npcap, and it is a Windows packet sniffing driver, and it is very much important for Nmap and Zenmap to work efficiently, and it is very much needed, of course. So click on I agree. Install npcap with winpcap, and click on install. Meanwhile, let me go to my Kali machine and let me install over there also. As you can see, before installing Zenmap on Kali Linux, you have to update your Kali machine using command apt and update. And the command to install Zenmap is apt install Zenmap kbx. So I have already installed the Zenmap in Kali Linux. So this is the installation part, and go to the applications, and here type Zenmap, and you can find the Zenmap. So let me add to dashboard. You can see over here. Okay, the installation of Zenmap now is successfully finished. So click on the next, finish. And as you can see the shortcut icon, double click on this icon to open the Zenmap application. So what exactly a Zenmap is? Zenmap is a graphical user interface for Nmap, which is a very powerful and widely used utility in terms of hacking and network scanning. So Nmap is designed to discover hosts and services on your local network or a computer network. You can actually create a map of the networks, a visual map or a visual structure of the network. It can be used for various purposes, including network scanning, network inventory, managing your services, a daily task actually you can say, monitoring the changes in the network, in the real-time network, service uptime, and so on. So it actually simplifies. It means the Zenmap actually simplifies the use of Nmap by providing this graphical look. Like you have a lot of options like services, output, ports, hosts, topology, and scans, and so on. And you have different profiles to scan. Okay, when you actually select a profile, the command changes over here. Okay, you can mention the target or entire completely network range. So it offers, basically this tool offers a different scan profiles, like I've shown here, different scan profiles to perform network scans, information gathering, and so on. Nmap is a command line tool with a wide range of capabilities, and such capabilities actually you can work as a profiles on different computers, and you can actually compare the results, the previous day result or earlier day results and today results for any changes in the network. So this Zenmap tool has a wide range of capabilities, such as network discovery, that is looking for a live systems on a network, port scanning on live systems, version detections like application version detections, OS fingerprinting, and Zenmap also, as you can see, offers a graphical user interface like a topology, which we are going to see over here, a visual representation of a scan networks. So there are a lot of features in this Zenmap, like scan profiles. So let me do a little scan. 192, 168, 29 dot. I can mention a star, or I can say 1/24. Sorry, 0/24. And now I can check the profile like a quick scan. So when you actually do a quick scan, you got a command over here. You can copy it, and actually you can run on a terminal machine also. We haven't actually discussed about T in the earlier class. A T option and a F is for fast scan. So what is a T? You can have T 1, 2, 3, 4. So the T option in Nmap is actually a timing template. It is used to control the speed and aggressiveness of the scan. Higher the number, more the aggressiveness, allowing you to specify timing between 0 to 5. 0 is called as a paranoid and 5 is called as a insane scanning. And in paranoid scanning, that is, if you have T0, this template is most like conservative, designed to minimize the impact on the target system, and it actually avoids detection. And when it comes to T1, it is actually sneaky. So this template is also cautious, but slightly faster than the paranoid, that is T0, and balances the speed. T2 is a polite template. T2 timing is a polite, and it is default and is considered as balanced and polite scanning, and it is actually suitable for almost all types of situations. And when it comes to T3, it is a normal type of a scan, and T4 is aggressive scan or aggressive template, and it increases the scanning speed, more aggressive in sneaking out open ports. It is suitable for faster scans, but may be more detectable. And T5 is almost it's insane atom bomb. So this is the highest or the fastest and more aggressive way of scanning. Okay, T5. So these are the timing templates, and F option is used as a fast scanning and is used for general host discovery and port scanning. Instead of scanning the entire range, that is 65535, it performs a scan on only well-known ports. So that is option F. So let us do a little quick scan and hit on, instead of T4, let it be T4 scan. Hit on the scan button. Now the Zenmap is scanning the network. As you can see, the Zenmap is working. So Zenmap has done its work in 6.74 seconds, and as you can see, 9 hosts up. So these are the host details, as you can see over here: 192, 168.29.1, 14, 15, 55, 63, 75, 169, 25, and so on. And these are the services. And if you click on any services, particular AGPay service is on 29.14, and if you come down HTTP, 3 computers are running HTTP service, and port 80 is open on 3 computers. HTTP proxy is opened on one computer, that is 29.1, which is a router. And as you can see over here, there are a lot of services, and it will list all the computers that are running these particular services. Like Telnet is running on 29.14 Telnet service, and so on. So as you can see, these are the hosts that are live and running. Reliance.reliance, which is a router and has all these ports open. 29.8, no port is open. 14, we have all these ports open, as you can see. 21, 23, sorry, 21, 22, 23, 25, and so on. All the open ports are listed over here, and all the services that are running on these open ports on 29.14, which is Microsoft Server 2019 and 2015, and 29.15 is Metasploitable, and it is running all these services with open ports listed over here, as you can see. So 25, 55, which is my host computer, 63, 75, and 169. Now if you come to Nmap output, this is the Nmap output which I've already seen. This is very much similar to the command that you have actually done with the Nmap. So let me copy this command. Let me paste the command over here and hit enter, and you will see almost same output that you have seen in Windows 11. So let me get back to a Windows computer. And topology, as you can see, this is a nice graphical look of the topology of the network. You can just use your mouse wheel to make to zoom the topology. This is a nice topology of your local network. This is my home router, this is my host machine, and another computers and other computers that are there or connected to this network. You can look in different views, and if you click on the host viewer, you can see each individual host and related information graphically. So 192.168.29.1 and the host name is reliance.reliance and services running on these hosts. So you can click on each IP to see any information available in the host viewer. So let me close this button. So this is a fisheye visual representation of this network, and controls. You can actually zoom and zoom out. So let me get back to Nmap output. So let us talk about the Nmap. So as said, Zenmap has a scan profiles. So these are all the scan profiles that you are seeing over here. So when you select each and every profile, you can see there's a change in a command. So let me actually type only 192.168.29.14. So as you can see, the IP has changed, or you can actually mention the range as well to 200. So now you can perform an intent scan with all options and a T4 timing template, verbose and single verbose. You can actually type manually also, 3 verbose. So the target name has messed over here. So let me, so profile is also changed. So I can copy, or I can go to profile and new profile command. Now I can actually give some name to this profile, like let me type Kiran, save. So now in the profiles you can see a Kiran. So this is my profile which I'm going to do daily. So I'm giving a T4 or T4 timing template with all options and 3 verbose with entire network range scanning. So this is how you can have your own profiles as well. So Zenmap provides several predefined profiles to serve you different purposes. This profile includes quick scan, intense scan, ping scan, and more. And as you can save, so user can choose profiles based on the specific needs on their day-to-day task. Also, as you can see, the topology which we have seen already earlier, this is one of the most outstanding feature of a Zenmap, and it has an ability to generate visual maps. These maps provide a graphical representation network of displaying the relationship between host and their respective open ports. Let me choose another profile like intense scan on all TCP ports. Now let me choose entire subnet, or let me choose only target machine, for example 14, and hit on scan button to see the scan. So in the intense scan profile, the Nmap is actually scanning all the ports from 1 to 65535, and it performed a still scan, as you can see over here. So let me take another profile like a quick trace route on the entire subnet. Hit on a scan button, doing a simple trace route. The command is nmap-sn trace route on an entire subnet. So this is a trace route result of Nmap scan. Slow and comprehensive scan is taking time, so let me cancel the scan, and I will also give you resources for various types of scan profiles. There are a lot of scan profiles that are actually not listed here. These are only few of the scan profiles like ping, intense, UDP scan, and so on. Intense scan with UDP scan is still going on, and I'm going to provide you this PDF file. This PDF file is provided to you with this class, and it has all about Nmap and all the scanning techniques, commands that are listed over here. You can take the help of this PDF in order to learn this Nmap class. So that's it in this class, guys. Have a great day. Thank you for watching the video, and do subscribe to the YouTube channel INSECTECHS.